Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start the stock analysis of the day. It's about the stock Nvidia. So recently if you see a lot of investment is coming in the domain of artificial intelligence, the AI infrastructure development. So that is one of the area where huge investment is coming, and many companies, if you see the companies like the Microsoft, Amazon and Meta and other companies which are kind of trying to foray into the domain of AI infrastructure development. They are investing huge in this area. Recently we saw in a news also that Microsoft has bought twice of Nvidia's flagship Hopper chips. As you know, if you see any of its competitors, they must have bought the chips in US or China. Almost double of that was bought by Microsoft. So that is huge indication, in the area of the artificial intelligence amount Microsoft is putting into. And that investment and buying Nvidia's chips definitely gives an trend that Nvidia stock is also going to rally or going to bounce in the future. So that is important trend we need to capture and don't miss it, because it's phenomenal investment. And it's Microsoft is trying to stay ahead of the competition, and they are trying to invest in buying more and more chips from Nvidia. So that is a kind of trend in the artificial intelligence thing. Many companies are trying to compete with each other, and definitely Microsoft trying to race ahead. If we try to understand the trends and everything, so there is definitely a potential upside if in the stocks like Nvidia or any other chip making companies, because the chip making companies will definitely have that, companies like AMD, Nvidia. So definitely they have a good future in terms of giving good returns to its investors. As per the data available, Microsoft bought almost like 4.85 lakhs of Hopper chips of Nvidia. What actually the Meta bought, that was like almost 2.25 lakhs Hopper chips. That's almost double of what Microsoft bought. So in terms of in the development of the cloud computing infrastructure, the AI infrastructure, Microsoft is definitely trying to stay ahead of its competitors like Amazon, Google and all. But one more thing which we need to understand is that the Nvidia was able to provide that kind of number in terms of chip delivery and all, because somewhere it had that kind of stock. Otherwise it would have kind of the huge demand coming from the companies like Microsoft as well as companies like Meta. How would they provide so many lakhs of chips at the moment? But Nvidia had kind of hoarded a lot of chips, and that's why they could provide that and stay ahead of the competition. So the definite clear trend is the big companies, big tech companies are spending billions of dollars in terms of creating their own AI infra, the data centers. Definitely these data centers or the infrastructure they want to create will definitely be running the latest of the Nvidia's, AMD's latest chips and all. And definitely in terms of the uses of chat GPT is increasing, the kind of experiments going on, the kind of the growth this sector has, that puts Nvidia definitely into a very good spot. But okay, so now let's look at the Nvidia's chart, what it suggests and how it is moving. If you see the chart, the Nvidia, so this stock has kind of rallied almost like 170% in last 1 year. If you see, it was trading at 48 49 US dollar in 2023, and currently it is trading at 135. So in a year it has kind of rallied more than 170%. That's a huge rally. If you see the maximum of this chart, from 1999 till kind of 2020, it was kind of flat, didn't have much peaks, but if you see from 2019 this stock has started rallying, and from 2022 this stock has kind of rallied from 12 US dollar per stock to reaching till almost its highest, that is 152. So that much kind of rally this stock has given in its entire lifetime. And in the last 1 month, however, the stock has kind of not rallied. In last 6 months, if you see, hardly any returns, but in the last 1 month it has kind of tanked by 3%. So and last 5 days also no such returns. But today, if you see, as we're talking about, this stock is giving a huge rally, and that is because of Microsoft buying the AI, the chips from Nvidia, basically to build its AI infrastructure. So it has kind of given a good rally today. Basically, if you see the Nvidia stock, and I mean the kind of potential it has, definitely this stock is kind of will give a good return if you see. And the kind of the rally it has started again, so it might have gone down like in last 1 month. If you see from its peak of 150 52 around till 135, so that has tanked to like 12 to 13% it has tanked. But definitely there are challenges it has faced in last 1 month, but now it has started kind of bouncing back once the Microsoft has kind of bought huge amount of chips from Nvidia. So that is something really good that is happening in the AI kind of infra and domain, and which we need not to kind of think too much about, I mean, how the stock will do in the next couple of months and all. But seeing the potential this particular domain of AI has in the next 2 to 3 years down the line, this stock can double from here. So we will not be surprised if this stock reaches first the 200 mark, and then slowly moving towards the 300 and 350 mark. So that kind of potential this stock has, and we should actually be hopeful that this particular stock is going to give huge returns in the future. So Nvidia is the stock we discussed today. This is purely based on the kind of potential this sector and this stock has. So you can keep a close eye on the stock and make some good returns in the future. So that's all about in this today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks.